It's spring, yes! And even if I really like winter, I have to tell you guys that I love spring. I love spring because in this period you can wear some colors that, okay, you can still try to wear in winter, but in spring those colors are killing the game. It's just great to wear them, and I am so happy to find back some bags that I did not wear during this winter. For those who do not know me, hi guys, I'm bag passionate, French bag collector, fashion lover, and above all Longchamp addict. Welcome to my channel. I do video both in English and French. If you love my content, please don't hesitate to subscribe. Thank you so much. If you're a returning subby, thanks a lot for your support. Love you guys. So yes, let's have a view concerning the bag I'm so happy to use during this period because their color and also their style are for me perfect for springtime. So without further ado, let me show you the very first one, which is also the bag of the day. My Longchamp Pliage green. I do not regret to choose this color because it's matching a bunch of outfits, and I have to say this blue shade is just divine. As you can tell, I have put my teeny tie squish keychain, and I love it. It's really cute, so I am enjoying this bag. Okay, I repeat, but you know guys how much I love a pliage bag. They are just great. And this one, look, oh, you cannot see, wait a minute. I'm wearing a jean, yes, I'm wearing a jean and it matches perfectly. So seriously, my apologies for the movement of the camera, but this color is just great. So this is the first bag I am really happy to use again. And since I am showing you pliage bag, let's have a quick view of the pliage I know I will use a lot during the springtime. There will be this one. By the way guys, I do not forget, it's just I'm running after time. I will do an update on my wall pliage collection. So this one is a small one, short top handle, and as you can tell, I have some decoration on it, but I love this one. I decorate it because sometimes I'm adding some back charms and so on. I have done a review concerning how you can do this. I will put the link below. And I love this color. It's a stunning turquoise color. I just love it, so I'm really happy to wear it this spring. And of course, colors that are not perfect for winter, but perfect for spring. Oh my God, those those pliage are from the original line. You can tell because the Russian leather is, oh, it's nothing, is in brown color, and there's two colors. This is my candy and this is my green, how do they call it, if I remember, if I remember, but guys, I'm in love with this color and I'm so happy to use them. It's the same size as my green one, so perfect for spring. In spring also I will enjoy my XS replay bag. This cutie, you cannot imagine how funny and cool to wear it. I have done a review about it for those who have missed it, and I will link below. It's just great. I can also add a strap on it and wear it crossbody, but seriously guys, I am crazy about the style. The capacity is great, and I'm super happy because this bag really follow me during spring. And yes, the color are just, it makes me smile and happy, seriously. And you can adjust the strap and make it bigger to wear it on the shoulder. But I have to say, I love to wear it top handle, and I love, it's like it is dancing, you see? And one bag, okay, I sometimes use it in winter. It's my backpack, my pink one from the club line which do no more exist, and this pale baby pink, and it's just gorgeous for this season. Look, I got a white pullover and it's just great. I love this backpack really, and yes, this color is so springy for me, and I also sometimes decorate it. I love to put my Longchamp star keychain on it. It's really gorgeous. We changed color. Another bag that I really like for spring. It's not a Longchamp one. It is this one. I bought this bag in Spain during my holidays. Yes, 2 years ago, and I love it. It is Italian leather, and look at this green shade. It's so vibrant. I'm loving it. It's a little leather tote, as I just said, no brand, but the leather is just insane. It is really well made, and I like it. It also comes with a strap, an additional strap to wear it crossbody, and yes, it's just great. It's perfect. You see, you are wearing a little dress or even with a jean, it's passed very well. And this one is also nice for spring. Vibrant green is just a color great for this season, to my opinion. And of course, a bag that I'm super happy to use back this season. Yeah! Yes, my micro tote bag, Marc Jacob. The color is just insane. The color is just insane. It is called Spring Blue. This color is no more available. They do still have two blue. I think Scuba is still there and Pool. But this one, Spring Blue, I have explained in my unboxing video. I was really happy concerning this blue shade because seriously guys, I'm living in Provence and it is exactly the color of our sky. So I love this one so much. By the way, a French subby asked me a review, a special review in French, concerning what's fit. So one day I will do it because this bag is just insane and it's tiny. It's a tiny one, but you cannot imagine how much it can fit. So I'm super happy to use it back. I am not maybe courageous enough, brave enough to try this color in winter, but for spring, it's perfection. And of course, for people who know me, you know guys, there's one color I am more than happy to wear in spring. Yes, you know, I'm taking the very last one. And yes, guys, you know which color I'm talking about. Lilac! Yes, lilac. Oh my Lord. So the first bag, my tote bag, a size bigger. This is the mini, which is now called small and so on. This is the color Regal Orchid. I know guys, I can wear this bag in winter, but let's be honest, I also have my Longchamp Foulonné tote bag M in black, which is a gem. So I reserved this year, this one for spring, because look at the color guys, this bag is just a gem. Try one day a tote bag from Marc Jacob. Of course, I know the writing in this one, on my blue, it is less in your face. On this one, it's more in your face. But the color of the bag, and sometimes I'm wearing it like this. But yes, the color is just insane. So this is the first lilac bag I'm super happy to wear back. The second one is my Mulberry small Antony. This was because when they launched back, when I say they, I mean the designer brands, when they launched back the lilac color, Mulberry was one of the first one to make a leather bag in this color at that time. and when I saw it, I fell in love. It is my unique bag from Mulberry, and I have to say I am really tempted to buy another one day because the quality is just insane. And guys, I'm wearing it a bunch. I still do not have color transfer. It's just great. And yeah, it's just high quality. You cannot imagine the feeling to touch. The hardware is really nice. Yes, I love this bag. Seriously, it's a gem. I love the style of it. Yeah, seriously. The small Antony is still produced. The color for the moment are not my taste. They are more neutral, but maybe with spring they will come out with a nice color. So just check if this bag interests you. And to finish this video, of course, guys, you know my Longchamp Foulonné in Lilac. Oh my God! So this is the Crossbody zipped L, because now they are calling it L, and this one is a gem. Seriously, I have to say this winter I wore it 1 or 2 times, but I really enjoy it. Now spring, summer, and just great. And once again, look, I do not have color transfer at the moment. If one day the situation is different, I will keep you informed, but at the moment nothing. Same on this one. This is the Crossbody XS, and this one is also a gem. It's just great. Do not mind the size. For me, the capacity is just great. No color transfer. Yeah, just perfection. And I am super happy because this little cutie passed so well with many of my outfits during this period. And I don't know, I love my rectangular one, but I am also really in love with this one. I don't know, the shape is so romantic and so springy, and it gives me really positive vibe. Yeah, it's really a gem. So guys, thanks for having watched this video. Please write me in the comment section, do you love spring? Are you happy that it's springtime? Do you have prepared some spring bag? Yes, please explain, tell me which are your spring favorite bag. If you have some, or at the contrary, you are someone who do not care about color and still love to wear black bags even in spring. That's also okay. I do respect that. My own sister is wearing a bunch of neutral bags, colored bags, sorry. So I do understand also this point of view. So write me everything in the comments, because I repeat, comment also helps my channel grow. So please don't hesitate to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel if you love my content. Thanks again for watching. We keep in touch, you know, here we are talking about bags. More videos are coming. So till the next video, I kiss you guys. Have a great day and take care. Bye bye.